Boys and girls, this is a new procedure we're using for assembly. We're going to get to class first. I think it worked out well. This is our first time, so we're doing well. So, buenos dias, pioneros. Buenos dias. Yo soy la señora Delgado, tu directora, muy orgullosa. This is Dr. Pablo Perez Elementary, the best school in the whole wide world. Yes, it is, and we have announcement helpers today.
Good morning, pioneers. Our names are Gabriel, Oliver, and Cecil. And we are students in Ms. Cavaz's 4th grade class. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Yo oro a lo alto a la bandera de Texas. Honra a la bandera de Texas. Protejo lealtad y Texas. Un estado bajo Dios, uno indivisible.
averages so far. This is through yesterday. So today's attendance may shift that a little bit. So, very important for everybody to be here today. Who is leading fourth grade? Raise your hand in the air, fourth grade. They are leading. Does that mean that they are the winners of the attendance challenge for the period? Not necessarily. So it all depends. Look how close everybody is. They have 97 and 5300s right now. And if we look at the attendance leaders, we have Mr. Gutierrez's class in second grade with 99 and 5200s. That is awesome. Where is Mr. Gutierrez's class? Raise your hand. 99, almost 100% for the 2 weeks. So we will see how that challenge goes after today for the parent lunch for next Friday on November 7th. All right, guys, we are ready for birthdays. Vamos a celebrar los cumpleaños. Okay, we have Pedro Padrón, October 21st, fourth grade with Miss Cavazos. We're going to bring Mundo up too so he can get a higher school. Lisette Cavazos, pre-K with Miss Martinez, October 26th. Manuel Zárate, October 27th, fifth grade with Miss Brunella. Timothy Bass, October 27th, first grade with Miss Peña. Kaya Maniz, October 28th, fourth grade with Miss Macias. Matthew Diaz, October 29th, fourth grade, also with Miss Macias. Jameson Solis, kinder with Miss Ramos, October 29th. Evelyn Law, October 32nd, Miss Munoz. Austin Flores, October 31st, kinder with Miss Rancho. Diego Martinez, October 31st, second grade with Miss Mendoza. Austin Wenzel, October 31st, third grade with Miss Lopez. It looks like today we have Miss Camacho fourth grade. And we're gonna wait till everybody is showing respect, sitting on their bottoms, facing forward, being as quiet as possible. We want to hear all about Miss Cavazos' fourth grade class. Alright guys, everybody join in.
And tickling you? Is that better? Okay.
Everybody put their hand like this, look. Okay guys, next we have, we're almost done. Before we do that, we have to sing our song with pride. Boys and girls, right now their hearts are filled with pride. Our lyrics are there, and we have looks like Evangeline and Carly. Evangeline and Carly. Awesome. All right, guys. As always, we end by stating the affirmation. So repeat after me. I am principal. And I am kind. And I strive to be better every day. To make our world a better place. Ahora es my turn. Que sea un gran día o no, la decisión es tuya. Boys and girls, the choice is always yours. Great job on today's assembly. Before we say our chant, well, you know what? Let's do our chant first. Loud and proud. I have not gotten a call from Morris yet that they haven't heard us. And today, I want Miss Beto to call me and say, oh my goodness, boys, how much spirit do y'all have at Bettis Elementary? I want to get that phone call. But remember, no screaming super loud to hurt our ears. We just yell from our hearts, guys, on 3. Let's send a loud message to Morris Middle School that this is the best thing we've ever done on 3.